Okay, so for my extra credit video, I decided to analyze my favorite baseball team, the Oakland A's from back home, and sort of the analytics that they use to try and put a winning ball club out there on the field. And their methodology has garnered a lot of attention. It even had the movie Moneyball, which had Brad Pitt and Jonah Hill, and sort of covered their kind of revolutionary approach to putting together a baseball team using statistics. And so I have a quick clip from there.
He can't throw.
So what can he do?
You want me to speak?
When I'm pointing again.
He gets on base.
So essentially, their mentality is that on base percentage and wins have a positive correlation. So I decided to put that theory to the test. And here I have their wins on the, this is going to be our y-axis, and the on-base percentage, which is going to be on the x-axis. And they're ordered in seasons from 2017 to 1998 when Billy Beane was first hired and implemented this type of strategy. And the reasoning for it is that they tried to find a statistic that they could focus on that would be cheaper to achieving. And so yeah, let's put this to the test. So pretty much what you're going to do is you're going to insert a scatter chart. Gives you this. You're going to insert add trend line. And we can display these on the chart. And it does indeed look like wins over here on the y-axis and on base percentage, which is over here, are positively correlated to some extent. And we can run a regression analysis on this data here by highlighting our Y range, which is wins, highlighting our X range, which is on base percentage, and then we want our output to be on the same ply that we're working on right now. So we go to just click any unit in there, and that gives us this. And the R squared is going to be your coefficient of determination. And that means pretty much, in this case, 25% of your wins are dependent upon on-base percentage. And multiple R here is your coefficient of correlation. And the interesting thing is, on-base percentage typically is something cheaper to find in a player. And I ran the same test on home runs and found that the coefficient of determination in that scenario was 23%, as opposed to around 25% in this scenario. So very interesting that on-base percentage actually has more of an impact on wins than home runs do. And that sort of verifies the approach that the A's take in putting together a ball team.